Hello, my name is Jean Baudard and I do technical support for HEM. Today we're going to look at our Puro systems and more particularly at what to do when the membranes become fouled. It becomes extremely important to monitor and log the production rate of your systems. A drop in 10% is usually a very good indication that the membrane cleaning cycle is required. As a yardstick, it's usual to perform a chemical cleaning cycle every 250 to 300 hours. Puro systems are usually fed from a potable water tank, so the risk of biological fouling is minimal. So only an acid chemicals cleaning solution, CC2, is required to remove the buildup of mineral scale. Instead of a CC2 solution, which is difficult to ship, we now recommend using diluted hydrochloric acid. To fill the cleaning tank with fresh water, first ensure all valves are set for tank filling mode. You need to close the technical water valve, V17, the dump overboard valve, V13, the bypass valve, V18, the discharge valve, V5, the cleaning tank drain valve, V14, the dump flow regulating valve, V7, and the two sample valves, V3 and V19. You need to open the freshwater inlet valve, V1, the cleaning tank inlet valve, V12, the dump valve, V10, and the diverter valve needs to be diverted to the cleaning tank. Then put the HP pump selector switch to 0 position and press the green start button to start filling. Press the red stop button when the tank is full. The hydrochloric acid can then be mixed with the water. Since the chemical tank provided in our Puro systems has a 40-litre capacity, then using a generally available 25% strength acid means diluting 0.5 litre of that solution into the 40-litre tank to obtain the 0.3% acid strength required. Close the tank lid when the mixing is completed. Now ensure that all valves are set for chemical cleaning mode. Also ensure that the HP pump is in the off position. Start the cleaning process by pressing the green cleaning button, which will start the cleaning pump only and circulate the cleaning chemicals through the system. Stop the circulation after 15 minutes by pressing the red stop button. Leave the chemicals to soak in the membranes and dissolve the mineral with dirt on the surface for about 3 to 4 hours. Do not let the chemicals circulate for too long, as the temperature will increase. If it goes over 40 degrees C, damage may be caused to the membranes. After the 3 to 4 hours soak time, start the cleaning pump again. Recirculate for another 30 minutes and then stop the pump. Check the color of the chemical solution in the cleaning tank. If discolored or slimy, empty the tank by putting the valves in the dump overboard position as follows. Open the dump overboard valve, V13, V10. You need to close the cleaning tank inlet valve, V12, and the diverter valve, V16s, need to be diverted towards the cleaning tank. Start the cleaning pump again and stop it when the tank is empty. Repeat the cleaning process 3 to 4 times with a fresh acid solution until you get a clear solution. It may be more effective to measure the pH of the solution. Repeat the process until your pH is stable at 2 to 3, which means all the scale has been removed. After a chemical cleaning operation, it's necessary to flush the system to remove all traces of cleaning chemicals. Ensure that all valves are set for freshwater flushing mode. Then ensure the HP pump selector switch is in 0 position and press the green start button. Let the system be flushed for about 15 minutes, then press the red stop button to complete the flushing cycle. When finished, replace the pre-filter cartridge and ensure that the valve system is put back to the normal Puro operating positions as follows. After such a cleaning cycle, remember to start your Puro system with the regulating valve fully open and increase the pressure slowly over a 10-minute period. Remember also to run your system for at least 24 hours before you take comparative readings of flow rate and salinity. We hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.